I am truly honored and humbled to have been selected for this award. Education is my personal mission, and to be recognized by the National Rural Health Association in this way is a tremendous honor. And to have been selected by the students that I have directly impacted makes this honor even more special. I have worked as an educator nearly all my entire adult life. I started as a teaching assistant in high school for an analytical geometry class. My mentor was an extraordinary high school teacher, Ann Garvin. Miss Garvin taught me the importance of communication with my students. By this I mean two-way communication. I think it's critical when teaching to empathize with what your student is thinking and then use this understanding to specifically identify any opportunity for that teaching moment. When I finished my medical education at the University of Kansas, I started private practice in Burlington, a town of 2,500. I explored many teaching opportunities. I gave public health talks through the county library. I delivered cancer prevention talks at the Relay for Life, and I lectured to my colleagues about asthma management. Then I began mentoring and precepting medical students in my rural office and found this activity to be extremely rewarding. In 2000, I was offered a position as a part-time faculty in the School of Medicine to help teach Introduction to Clinical Medicine. This ultimately grew to a full-time position. Teaching has been the focus of my career since that time, and I have had the ability to interact with students from a wide variety of healthcare, education backgrounds, and have taught all through medical school curriculum. I have delivered 45,000 hours of student teaching and didactic workshop material over the years. By far, my absolute favorite activity is teaching an individual student one-on-one, communicating new knowledge, seeing the light of that aha moment in their eyes, knowing that I have, through their new skills, impacted the lives of thousands of patients. There are 1,000 people I would like to thank for my own education and support over the years. Without the support of my family and friends, and without the support of my loving wife of 43 years, I'm not sure that I would have been able to accomplish nearly as much. But ultimately, the reward comes down to the special interaction between teacher and student. I have been fortunate to thoroughly enjoy every moment of my teaching career at the University of Kansas. It's not work when you love your job. And to be recognized for doing what you love is absolutely the best. So thank you, KU, thank you, NRHA, and thank you to my students.